Hello YouTube! Should Amazon Alexa have a spot in your car to record the traffic and answer your questions? Find that out in our today's 90-second episode. Many have a smart speaker at home, but now Amazon together with Garmin is trying to make their way into your car for $229. Unboxing is pretty basic. You have your camera, a long mini USB cable, and some documentation. To start, download Garmin Speak app, plug in the device, mount the camera on your window, and connect it to your phone. If recording the traffic in front of you is the goal, then the quality of it is great. And on the other side of the camera, you can see turn-by-turn directions. The back. It's 2018 and you would expect to have a cable-free life. But this device creates clutter all over your window and in the center console. The directions are so-so. Your phone will most likely be much more accurate. Asking questions from Alexa is great, but you can do the same thing with your phone. To sum it up, then hold on to your money. And if you already have a GoPro, then mount it on your window and hit the record button every time you start driving. Thank you for watching and have a good one.